Hey everyone, welcome to the stream. I'll be continuing where we left, like last weekend. So, did we do last weekend? This down, and this is what PDF, bro? There is a link in description. That's where you can find all my Excalis. These are not PDFs. These designs are there on my GitHub repo, and the link to GitHub repo is there in the channel's bio. Yes. Here in them, hello. Divyam Dutta, yes, go ahead. You can ask me. I'll take 15 minutes of break before I actually get started. Why my laptop is this slow, bro? I think my laptop cannot handle the live streams and all. This link you'll find in description and this has everything. Okay. Yeah, it is a Mac, but it is a Air. It is not a Pro. So feel free to hit the like, guys. Arindam Datta, at least, bro, you hit the like. I know it is not your habits, but yeah. Feel free to hit this like, guys. Whoever is new to the stream, it helps in sending the stream to other people. So, Divyam Datta, yes, you can ask me a doubt. I'll start. Hello, Pomodoro static. So, 5 minutes I have. You can ask me any question. Hi, Jagrit. As a fresher, how do I begin learning LLD, bro? Bro, you watch a video on YouTube. Only have added a video on about that. You can watch that. Once I'm at my desk, I'll show you. Where should I learn DP? Divyam Gupta, do you know Hindi? Just let me know in chat whether you know Hindi. Vijay Reddy, thank you so much, bro, for liking. I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much. Vansh Agarwal. No, I'm asking Divyam Gupta whether he knows Hindi. Yeah, I'll start the design in 4 minutes, bro. It's like continuation, bro. If you guys have watched one, two, three, then only it will be helpful. Like, if not, then I'll try to give a overcap because I have also forgot because I did it last week. This is what happens with LLD. That's why I feel like LLD is the toughest thing to do. Arindam Datta, you guys are like not understanding my context. Okay, okay. I am just asking Divyam Gupta whether he knows Hindi or not. If he knows Hindi, then I would suggest him Aditya Verma because he teaches in Hindi. That is why I am asking. You guys are like thinking something else only. So I'll not ask, right? So what was your name? Divyam Gupta. If you know Hindi, bro, watch Aditya Verma. There is no one who can teach DP better than him. He is the only Indian who actually taught the DP the way DP should be taught, right? So learn DP from him. That would be my advice. Hey, bro. Hey, Harvinder Singh. What's up? Happy Independence Day, guys. Where to get the overleaf, bro? Overleaf. I am not at my desk right now. I'm just walking. Aditya Verma. Yes. Oh, you have not seen Mohammed Sheikh? That is very bad, bro. You guys should have. You guys should have seen him, bro. He's one of the best guys out there when it comes to DP. But again, he's kind of the guy who don't promote his channel. He never promotes his channel, so always kind of promote good things. Like I am promoting his channel. So I'll show you guys. I'm not at my desk. After this timer, right, I'm just taking a walk around my desk. So once I get back to the desk in 2 minutes, I'll share the links. So I have to share a link to resume template. I'll do that for Harvinder. I'll share the resume template in the chat. And then for you, I'll share the Aditya Verma's channel. And thank you, bro. Thank you. Harvinder Singh, do you think that even if I didn't pass, it was worth creating a video? I thought that I can help a lot of people. Ideally, like one more thing is that the main reason I wanted to create that video is that to keep your interviews in your time zone, bro. Don't make the mistake that I did, right? Feel free to like and share the video, guys, if you find that helpful. Uh, Divyam Gupta, I'll send you a playlist. Just binge watch it. Okay? I'll send you playlist in 1 minute. How much time is remaining? Yeah, 1 minute or so is remaining, right? I'll send you the playlist. Yeah, Divyam Gupta is asking about Aditya Verma. Have you watched his playlist, Harvinder Singh? Bro, Aditya Verma is the best, bro. No one can teach DP, and believe me, you guys will remember it. Uh, Bro, I graduated in 2021. 2021. Divyam Gupta, you know Hindi, but right? Divyam Gupta, or you don't know Hindi because he teaches in Hindi, or you can translate to English with some using some. And how to improve in contest, bro? Only way to improve in contest is use the rating site. You will find the rating sign on my portal. Okay, I'm going to start now the LLD and I'll share some of the links that people have been asking. Like Divyam Gupta, you took your time to say that you know Hindi, bro. It was a yes or no question, but you had me asking 10 times. But that's okay. First thing first, take resume template. This is for Harvinder Singh. Harvinder Singh, bro, hope you're listening. Feel free to hit the like if you like the stream and the other videos. Okay. Aditya Verma DP. This is the legend stuff here. How do I share it from here only? No way to share it. View full playlist. Here, here. There goes Aditya Verma for Divyam Gupta. Okay. This is Aditya Verma. Take a resume and then how to get better in contest, right? So you go to this portal. This is like I have put everything here, and then you have to click see best way to solve unseen problem. So Divyam Gupta, what is your rating, lead code rating? Tell me fast. Okay, quick response I need. Don't like give me the response that you give in Hindi. So whatever is your rating, solve using this website. There goes your fourth answer. 1600, right? See, now you are fast. See, what you have to do is you have to do here 1600 and then you have to do here 1800, right? So solve 100 problems. 50 from 16 to 1700 and then 17 to 1800, right? This will help in increasing your speed. Cool. Do 100 problems from this. Cool. Now I'll be taking questions after 35 minutes. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. Divyam Gupta. Divyam Gupta, at least say thanks, bro. No, just kidding, man. No, no, just kidding. Okay. Okay, so I'll just do a recap for my brain also. So in Amazon's, so this is how you should tackle all of the LLDs. Identify requirements, identify classes, whatnot, right? All of those things. Um, and then so customer can browse through products. That was our first thing. Uh, Customer can browse through products, filter products via category. Customer can add product to their cart. So we have products. We have customer can add products to their cart. We have place orders for products. That is also there. Customer should be able to pay concurrent handles request. That all we did, right? So we do use singleton also. Um, Design classes, properties, methods, CPM. This was the short form that I said. We have customer, we have product category. Customer is easy, product category is enum, and then you have a cart, you have a order item, order status, payment strategy, and then this was our class diagram, right? When we decided, and also I think we used Copilot to verify this. So, oh my God, this is something that is happening. I think there is a bug in this extension. This happened twice, so let me use this. Okay. Okay, so this was the diagram. Let's go one more down, but okay, this is going way down. Uh-huh. We will open it after that. We will open it when we are doing the coding. You guys can hear me, right? My voice is okay. Any problem with the voice? Hmm. So what things we had, right? We had a customer class. A customer will have all of these things, and then customer will be in Amazon. There will be customer. No problem. Okay, okay. So then you have a product, then you have a cart, then you have order. Customer will place a order, so customer ID will be there. Order will have order items, and then product enum, and then you'll have an instance, right? This will be payment. Yeah, I think it makes sense. So let's just finish the coding where we left. Let's see how much coding we have already done. So we have a customer class, and customer class has all the enums, right? Uh, we have order. So we have list of order items. So if anyone is wondering, guys, this is something that we created last week. So if anyone is new to the stream, so if you go to my channel, right, just click on it and then you go to playlist. Here you will see episode 1, part 2, part 3. So watch these two. This first one would be mostly me silent because I had to step away, but this is the second one, right? You can watch after this stream, probably. So just like this Amazon, right? Tomorrow there is going to be a different design. Today we will finish Amazon end to end, based on our best knowledge, right? Where we were, let's go back. So this is where we discussed, right? That whether we can use synchronized, because this is important, right? Increasing and decreasing the capacity. Hey, hi Brahmjot. How much does top mate give you per meet? Not, I never, not checked, bro. Uh, Public Boolean is available, update stock, update data, right? Okay. Okay. Both of these has to be synchronized because it needs to be thread safe, right? That is something that we should be cautious about. Will you use distribute topics also like 2PL and other things? What is 2PL? Two-phase, two-phase commit. Will you use distribute topics like 2PL? I don't even know what is 2PL, bro. So you, I think, is learning something else only. 2PL, you mean two-phase commit, right? Why? What is L then? What is L in 2PL? Two-phase commit is what I know. Bro, what is L in that L? 2PC, you mean? Yes, yes. No, now I'll not do, but I know what it is. Like algorithm, right? To make sure that your commits are successful. In LLD, it's not a LLD concept, brother. Type, okay, okay. Don't mind me, okay? Even if you feel like, oh, why he's like shouting? It's like my natural voice is heavy. Don't think like I'm shouting, okay? So this is the thing, guys. Okay, we have instance. This should be singleton. We implemented this singleton. Someone was asking me in the channel that I think it was you only, AD. You were asking like whether you should know the implementation. Yes, you should know this. So your constructor will always be static because you are not going to create the object of this Amazon service. You will only get instant. So that is why static is there, right? That's the use of static. So you can reference class directly from it and then synchronize because multiple can call this get Amazon service, right? Your multiple things can call this. So that is another thing. And then you have customers, products, orders. So this we have initialized here as a concurrent hash map. And then I thought you got no, bro, no. I don't get angry. Why would I come live and get angry, right? I don't want to get beat by you guys. Right? What if you like I have now 4,000 subscribers? What if you guys make a community and plan to beat me? Right? I don't want to do that. Just kidding, guys. Now see these things, right? It's very easy. You can register a customer, register a product, register a order, right? These are like very basic functions. But as we want to improve our speed, right? We would always do that. We would always write those functions. That would be my another tip. So otherwise you'll not be able to clear the interviews, right? So one of my life's good achievement, if I have to say, is clearing Flipkart's interview. That was like the hardest LLD that I would ever face in my life. So we'll say that okay, register customer, and then we have a customer. I don't even know, bro. What are you saying? Reflection and cloning, whatever I have learned. I have leveraged ChatGPT and all that. No idea whatever you are saying. So you can check if it is already there. That is okay. Skipping for now. And then to customers dot put, or I can use put if absent, right? Put if absent. Customer dot get ID. Better. Put if absent is better. If that ID is not there, you are registering the customer. Then I'm going to register uh, product. This will be probably done by what you say, your admin. You can talk these things while you are in an interview. Oh, it's been a while that I'm coding. Really nice. Feels good to code. Product. The LLD is something that is very close to what you should do in your job, but not everyone gets that opportunity. That is the gap, right? This is the actual thing that if you have designed APIs and all, right, you will know that this is good stuff. This is good stuff. Now here in Walmart, like if you're interviewing with companies like if you're Vaibhav Agarwal has a question, but synchronize will not work in case if different object is calling. Why, bro? We will only have one object of Amazon service. So this synchronized, anyone can call this get Amazon. So first we will handle so this only one thread can go into this. So if let's say you are calling get Amazon and I am calling get Amazon, right? First your request will be handled, then mine will be handled. So there will never be a chance that two instances are created of this Amazon service, right? That's the whole point of singleton. There should only be single object of it. That's it. Singleton, right? Single object. But it is thread safe. It is not thread. Like if I remove synchronized from here, then it is not thread safe. Let's say you called it and I also called it. So we both have our different instance, right? But I have to put it back because now it is thread safe. This is like lazy way because we are doing it a whole thing. You can have another way where you are just putting this, right? You can have a read enter log and write enter log. Those kind of stuff can also come in. But this is thread safe. Did I understand you correct, bro? Again, guys, I am just consider me also as just a beginner. I would not say beginner because I have cleared couple of LLD interviews, but yeah, I am happy to learn. So feel free to let me know in chat whatever you are thinking. Could you like make a repo of this? Bro, I have already made a repo, bro. I am already ahead of you. What are you saying, bro? I have already made a repo. Okay. Just just to confirm, class will have fields and functions for that class, right? Field and function. Don't call it field and function, bro. Call it properties and method. Properties is the variables and methods are the functions. Don't use like your own terminology. Use OOPS principles. Don't use this fields and function. Brahmajot, in LLD, you will be asked to, bro, design this code small, like each class, how it is going to look like. But in HLD, you are going to be asked how it works. So, like from a high level, right? High level design, low level design. So, like, I'll give you a differentiation. No one is going to come and ask you HLD of snake and ladder, right? But it is a LLD question. And in the same way, no one is going to come and ask you LLD of YouTube because YouTube is a HLD question. Now, you are not going to write a class where you are passing a video and uploading it to S3, right? That doesn't make sense. So, both are completely different topics. Bro, we are not put if absent returns null. If a specified key is not already situated, but we are not even using the return value, right? So I think this is not going to throw any error. This will work just fine. It will put if it is absent, otherwise it will not do it. This is a we are not doing a reading anything, right? So I think it should be just fine. We are not returning anything. We are just returning void, bro. We are not even returning anything. Brahmajot, hope it well. What was your Amazon interview? Something that I will not reveal here, bro. But I would say that it was very much similar to, if you have practiced these questions, you should be able to answer that like a piece of cake. If you have, uh, if your plan is to, but I'll create a separate video, bro. But I can't reveal the exact questions because of NDA. What will the ID? We are getting the ID, you sir. We are getting the ID. See, ID. Right? So ID will be something UUID that you are creating. And these are all like in-memory things, bro. In actual, it will not be like this. In actual, you will not have Amazon service like this. You will have separate models. But once you have only 1 hour in the interview, right? You can just say that, okay, what otherwise what you will do in 1 hour, right? You can't just sit there in 1 hour, right? So in 1 hour, either if you started designing models, so actually if you want to think of it, it will be like this. Uh, Controllers, models, and then repository. So it will be like this, right? So what we are designing is combination of all this. So your order, this is a model. This customer, this is a model, right? So, but you can't, like I personally, again, bro, this is my opinion. This is how I give LLD interviews. So yes, yes, Lali Patak, yes, bro. Bro, don't think if I'm like, if my voice is loud, don't think like I'm being rude, okay? That's like my natural voice. By no means. I was just telling someone that I don't come here to be rude, right? There's no point of me coming here and then being rude, right? So don't think like that. So let's create a getter for that also. But see, I don't need to write this. A lot of people can say that okay, Copilot can write this, right? But what if in an interview you will be asked to write 400 lines of code, like in Flipkart, right? No, I think people have not seen my Flipkart video, but I think you should see that, bro. That was like a crazy level of interview. I still can't believe that. That is like you need to have different kind of mindset to clear those. So it's like down the lane. I think I'll create again some videos because it's not a, see this one. This is,
Only 6
oh my God.
days master Vedic mathematics. Don't calculate in a slow way. See how older students solve questions in seconds.
I'm okay, bro.
Yeah,
See this 10
this
out of 10. This
that was
video. See this video. 2 to 3 hours customized LLD. Unseen problem. It's not like they are asking you to design Amazon, right? Unseen problem and everything unseen, right? So error handling, design patterns, they want everything in the code. Bro, that is like scary. That's like the scariest interview at all, I would say. If you have cracked Flipkart's machine coding round in a proper way, I would say that you have my respect. What car lover, what are you spamming? Brahmajot I have seen. Nice, bro, nice. You are already way ahead than Brahmajot if you have seen. I had not like first 3 years of my corporate, I was just having Manas, hey bro, what's up, what's up, what's up? Feel free to like the stream if you guys find it helpful. So we have getters and setters. These will be just like APIs, like the get API, right? Read APIs, all that of stuff. Probably we'll do a session on how to design in Spring Boot also. I also don't know Spring Boot, right? I have also seen your Google experience. Nice, nice. Did you see how I failed in that? How I messed up in telling the time complexity? That's like very messed up. Messed up. Let's design place order now. First we'll design place order. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It happens, bro. It happens. I was not able to sleep for 1 week after that, just so that you guys are aware of that, right? So everything in the cart we would be doing setting in the payment, right? Payment we don't need. I don't want to make it complex for now. I'm saying that okay, you have a user cart. We are just going to create a order entry out of it, right? So, bro, Sarath Chandra, are you the same Sarath Chandra that was asking the questions on the chat? So if yes, bro, uh, I think you have bought. No, you are different, Sarath Chandra. That Sarath Chandra has bought the membership. Sorry, my bad. Like there is one guy who has bought the membership but has not joined the group. So yeah, do not ever. That is a different thing. But yes, that is something that you guys should not do. So. So all the items in the cart that we are going to create a order out of it and then put it in the check sheet. No, bro. Yes. Okay, I got to know, bro. He has a membership. So there would be a star on his name. Why I was saying is that he has a membership, but he hasn't joined the group. He hasn't joined the chat group. So he's asking me questions on the comment section. So that's what I wanted to convey to him that he can join the group. But once he'll come to live, Vikas, hey, hello, brother. Bro, why do you retract your messages? Even if there is a typo or anything, you can ask it again, right? Why do you retract? Idil? Uh, is there any reason? Yes, they will check, bro. In Snake and Ladder, they will check your whether it is optimal or not, right? In Snake and Ladder, you can do a brute force, so they will check. I had to optimize my code in Snake and Ladder. I can tell you guys example after this. So you have a user and he has a cart, right? So all the element in his cart, we want to create a order item, right? Because in this order, to create an order, we did not create a cart class here, right? Okay, let me create a cart class. So cart will have order and then all the elements of the cart are going to the user, right? Let's create a cart.java. So let's say that you have item and then you have in your order item you have all the order items, right? Order item class we have created, right? Yes. Order item wouldn't be nothing, just a product and its count, right? Product and its count. Yeah, that's correct. So cart just has items only, right? Shopping items or cart. What do they call? Add to cart only they say, right? Cart. Damn it, bro. So items, and then you have to get items. You'll have add items, right? So in add items, you can add a quantity to the same item also. Okay, I will take a break for 5 minutes, guys. I need to get up from my desk. I'll take up any questions if anyone has. Short break of 5 minutes before we start again. Manas, bro, you are in college, right? What should I expect in second round of Amazon round was second also would be DSA, bro. DSA, your projects, and then LP. Did they ask you leadership principles? Bro, you are applying for internship, right, Manas? Or full time? We always be prepared that it could be now only two DSA. First round was DSA, I understood that. I am seeing that second would also be DSA. You are intern, right? Yes, yes. Intern, either it could be DSA or leadership principles or your projects, right? These three things you should focus on. I don't think so, bro. They will ask you HLD. HLD, not even, don't worry about HLD. LLD, there is like 5% chance, but I would bet on DSA or your projects that you have mentioned in your resume. How was your first round? Was it good? Are we building Amazon from buyer point of view, bro? The 3000 masterpiece. Thank you, bro. What did you like, Brahmajot, in that video? Uh, bro, Saraj Chandra, it is like people who want to support me, bro. Yeah, Jangly is too good, bro. Saraj Chandra, it is way of you guys to support me. The membership is of 60 rupees, 30 goes to YouTube, 30 goes to me to conduct this lives and all. And then there is a chat functionality also where you can come and chat. That's it. There is no additional membership. Like, I'm not gonna dance, okay, in that membership. It's up to you guys, right? If you want to take it, you can take. Otherwise, it's no, no, bro. Today there was holiday. That's why I'm doing Himandari Nath. Arey, thank you so much, Sarachandra. I would say that you will say that you'll say something else, but yeah, thank you so much. Himandari Nath, no, bro. This is LLD. See, in your life, you have to not only do DSA. As you grow in your career, some more important things will come into picture like LLD and HLD. So my aim is to do LLD over the weekends, DSA in the nights, and then HLD I'll do separately alone. I don't want to take you guys everywhere where I go. Rate my sense of humor out of 10, guys. Whoever is watching, rate my sense of humor. Do you see I have a good? Okay, let me ask in a proper English. Do you see me as a stand-up comedian in a future? Or Manas is honest. Brahmajot uh, is like a very generous porter, like your friends, right? Who will always promote you. Don't try Harvinder Singh. Don't try stand up. I will try, bro. Knowledge may be it. Fair enough, bro. You can try for a job for some time. If you feel like there is no scope, then you can go with DSA. Mandarinath, depends, bro. I think their edge is already. So if they are working in a Google, their LLD HLD might be already strong. But yeah, I believe personally in still maybe I will do stand up. Probably on this channel only I will upload. Oh, we have a nice member here. Yeah, Manas has a good mentality. You are from Punjab, right, Manas? Stand stand up on my interview experiences. That would be a good topic. Tarak Chandra, bro, on your membership, right, you would see there is a Telegram link. Go to that link and then join in the group, okay? Make sure to join the group because that is where we chat. Himandri, bro, you are wrong on so many levels, bro. I was just saying it that HLD, LLD is something that someone does every day in their job, right? I was just saying to someone that LLD is something that would if someone is building any products, they are writing API designs, and LLD is nothing but API designs. And now once you become a senior, then you do design. You use Kafka, you use Redis, you use. But I don't want to spend my energy on so much, bro. I think feel like I can share what I know. So after DSA, LLD and HLD is something that you do on your job every day if you are in a good product based project. That is very important. Now, sometimes you are maintaining some project or you are writing some one or two APIs, you are not getting to design things, that's a different story. But if you are designing things from scratch, you will know LLD and HLD, right? That's a very important skill set to have. Even whether you are switching or whether you are in a same, right? If you are not doing anything in your current job, you are just chilling out, then you'll never learn LLD, neither HLD, right? So I would say that just watch LLD or HLD video, bro. It will surprise how good that is. It is not like DSA. DSA is something that where you have to train your brain, right, to think out of the box. HLD is something that it's more of a like a interesting design, how system works. Like on this page, right on this page, you can see the UI of this, right? So how this is coming on the left side, how this is how these things, how thumbnail is coming here. Now when I click on this thing coming on the left, how this whole portal changed, what API call backend made, right? All of those stuff. That is how. Yeah, you also mentioned in your interview experience. Yes, yes, bro. I don't want to repeat myself, but yeah, I have to like kind of constrain myself from speaking, bro. Yeah, LLD is HLD is all like these are very good things, bro. Like, why do you think today is a holiday? Why do you think I'm coming here and doing this? Because I enjoy it to certain extent, right? Uh, I have been doing it from last 4 months. Once I knew that okay, I knew some things that I can share. That's when I have started doing it. So 35 minutes is what doctors have told me to sit. I used to sit like for 3 to 4 hours, but now I have to sit for 35 minutes and then get up. Okay, so this is products. Now we will just add to it, right? I just want to, so you can remove item from a product just like we do that. We can update its quantity. I don't want to add those functions. Those are like understood. But let's say now I am adding a product, right? So in a product, you can increase or decrease its salary, right? Like increase or decrease its item, right? So this is simple hash map, right? So string prod ID is equal to product dot get ID. Now another one tip would be that because you are, this is something I follow, right? Now, if you create this product in a private way, right? If you create this product in a private, look, for example, here, I have kept this private. That's why you need to have a getter and setter. But now, if you do this in an interview, right, then you have to create lot of extra functions. So what I generally follow is I always tell them that this, I know that in production it has to be private, but as I'm short on time, so I will just put them as public and then I will just reference that. So here I don't have to write the code to get these things, right? I can just prod.id, I can just do that. So here I will not be able to do this ID. I'll not be able to do, see, because I have kept that as private. But this kind of takes more time and you kind of go away from your main logic of interview, right? So these kind of things you can just manipulate your way, right? See, if you're designing everything the way it should be, like no one can design Amazon in 1 hour, right? If let's say you are designing Amazon's LLD in 1 hour, you are like kind of a genius. So that's why you have to. I always feel LLD interviews. These are the way how you can drive it, right? Your inputs and your direction is very important. So always like talk to your interviewer in these times. It's not like DSA that okay, you know the algorithm, you just write the code. It's not like that. There are a lot of thinking is involved in this. Where to save time, where to cut time. So if I would be designing Amazon, I would just say that okay, there would be cart class. Let's just keep it as this, right? Just wanted to say some of the things. Whoever is listening, I don't feel many people are listening, so I'll like probably speak less, do more then. So if this product ID is there in this, right, then you can add that and then you can add to its quantity, right? Uh, what would be the best way to do it? Okay, so I will get it this way. So quantity is equal to uh, items dot get prod ID items dot get or default prod ID comma 0. So quantity is quantity plus damn it bro, items dot get or default prod ID dot get. Okay, I have to do it in different way only. So if items dot contains keep ID, then quantity is equal to quantity plus items dot get prod ID dot get product quantity, and then you'll put it into the items dot put product ID comma new order item prod ID quantity. Makes sense. So this is now my first thing, right? And you can remove update quantity. I'm not gonna get items, and then you can also clear, right? So public void remove item. Again, you can get a product ID, return items dot remove product ID, right? And then you can get all the items. That is something that I would need. List order item, get items. Item dot values. And you can empty the cart. Public void empty cart. Then you'll just do items dot clear. Right, these things, these functions are kind of important in Amazon. I have no idea regarding LLD and HLD, but I can understand some your help. Okay. What is LLD? I'm kind of beginner. Can explain that how to prepare for it. Yeah, bro. API designing also there. It seems interesting because I have never seen a YouTube live interacting while showing real world, but definitely worth watching your lives. Charan FF, bro. I will read your. Can I potentially reach your level if I? Yeah, definitely, bro. Charan F. See, now in this, what we will do is we will get the order item list. What's up, guys? So much silence in the chat. Bro, I'm downloading Redis. Bro, no idea, bro. Something might be wrong with your system. Redis, I have tried installing Redis. It generally works. Something might be wrong in your system, bro. There is a setting, bro. You just Google it. So there is a setting, I think. You have to do Command Shift P and all. I also Googled it. That's why there are no not coming in my Command Shift P or something, bro. I don't know exactly, but I just Googled it. So you can Google it and you'll know. Very less people today in the live stream, I think. Everyone likes me talking only, not coding. Hey Mohammed, what's up, bro? I was feeling bored, that's why I pinged in the chat. How are you doing? Hey, Sumit, bro. Hey, Narutam. Narutam Sharma, you are not new, bro. I have seen you earlier in the chat. Yes. Hey, Narutam Sharma, what's up, bro? Sumit, Parola, hey, brothers. Sumit, Parola, I have worked with only Golang, bro, as a backend, but I have never worked with Spring Boot. But if you have to make me choose, I would choose Spring Boot because I like Java more. But Golang is pretty straightforward also. Golang is also good. Feel free to like the stream if you are new to the stream or you are watching but you haven't liked. This is the like button here. I'm going to take a break of 5 minutes start because I have to get up from my desk. Break starts now. So in the break, if you anyone has any boiling questions or have funny to say, please feel free to say funny. If anyone has any joke, bro, are you think about future of Java? Bro, future of Java is bright, bro, from last 30 years. Anyone has a good joke? Bro, I changed the wrong screen. I have to put the other screen on the tab because I am learning Java, but I heard that Kotlin will replace. No, bro. Spring Boot, that might be for Android, brother. That might be for Android, bro. I think for that already Kotlin has kind of taken over. But that is just me, bro. That is just me. No resource, okay? Try to learn from some resource and then believe. Okay, don't believe me just saying, but not for backend. Like the struggle I do is told, no, bro. What are you doing? Are you a working professional or you are in some some college or what? 15 people are watching. None of them has a joke. Can we do just Java dev with system design to code? Bro, DS is must. A Java programmer is filing for. This is from ChatGPT, I think Narottam Sharma, but still I will read. A Java programmer is filing for a divorce. The judge asked him, "You have built a long, stable life together for 20." Bro, Faizan Mohammed, bro, I only know. Black Hat Gamer, bro, Java and all is okay, bro. Do you know DSA? Black Hat Gamer. Like after MCA, right? If you're appearing in the companies, then you need to know DSA, bro. Bro, no, no. Basics will not get you far. You need to do DSA, brother. Do focus on DSA and then just read after MCA. So you have already done BCA. After that, you are doing MCA. Still, if you want to work in a MNC, right, then you have to do DSA, bro. A lot of my friends have done MC and now they're working in really good product-based companies. So you have to do the same, brother. Yeah, DSA is important. Okay, time's up, guys. Back to coding. Feel free to like the stream if you find it helpful. I'll come again after 5 minutes. After 35 minutes, not 5 minutes. Just go to lead code, bro, and start solving. And also watch my 3000 video. Oh, bro, I hope you are. I had to left it. Yeah, med health is wealth, bro. This is for you, black hat gamer, bro. Just go to my channel and then watch this video. That has all the resources. Okay, 35 minutes. You can watch it now and come back in the live. That would be good use of your time. I think now we are good. Now let's create the UI of this. So this will be the one from where we will be calling these all the things. Public static void main string args. Let's just say that we have, first of all, we need to get the Amazon app, right? Amazon service. Amazon app. Let's just call it Amazon. So you'll call Amazon service got get Amazon service instance. You have this Amazon, right? Now we need to create some customers. Customer, ring and email. So name, what is the name? Who is watching the chat? We'll name it after this. Pratham Patel, bro, LLD in Python is fine as long as you follow object-oriented programming. It is fine. Language agnostic. These things are language agnostic. So let's say that Virat Kohli is our first customer, right? And then abc@gmail.com and customer one. Then we have another customer two. Let's change Virat Kohli to Raj Singh, and then this becomes Leo Messi XYZ, right? So two of the customers we have, and what all do we need? We need orders, products we need, right? So what are we selling? Product one is equal to new product. Uh, iPhone 10. Price we are selling it for 1 rupee. Stock we have one. Product category electronics. Yeah, Pratham, you are the goat. So, okay, now product 2 is what do you want me to sell next? Shampoo. We are selling BMW Z4 also on Amazon. Price we have kept is 2 rupees. We have 2 in the strong. So there is like electronics. It's not electronics, but still. Let's keep it like Samsung Fold. Okay. So two products, two things, and then so we go back to our Amazon. So we can add this to our products and we can add customers. So let's do that. Amazon dot register customer one. Amazon dot register customer Amazon dot add product. How come two is coming first? Amazon dot product one. So now we have Amazon. So we have two customers. Now customer like to place. Now we can choose payment method, right? So this is where factory will come into picture, but I am not gonna create factory. I'm just gonna use payment one. Payment one. Oh God. Payment one we could just create like this. Let's say Yuvraj is in India, right? So he pay payment and payment Messi from right now in Miami, so we'll use credit card. So this, what I did here, right, it would be done based on a variable, right? So you would have a variable and this logic would stay outside in a factory, right? So factory factory pattern to avoid this here, right? Factory. I don't want to do that because okay, anyway we have done a lot of things in this, but whoever is watching this is important for you guys. Black hat gamer bro, it depends on how good you are in DS and lot of stuff, right? Okay. So who has been watching this from the starting? Can you let me know in comments? Just want to see if anyone is there from the starting. Oh bro, let's go. Nice. Feels good bro. Feels good that some people are there starting. Random Datta, is it making sense whatever I'm doing to you? So now, okay, they both have their. Oh, we missed one function that is search. Yeah, it is strategy only, bro. This is strategy only. Here I have used different strategies, right? So it is strategy only. Yes. I think I also do. I only told you, but yeah, that's okay. So here strategies different based on the input. We are using different strategy, but here I am not doing that because then I have to again write a factory method, bro. We will implement that in some of the where to use enum, bro. Wherever you have some values, like for example here, right? I'm using enum. This is enums, so that there are less chances of the mistake, right? So now let's place an order, bro. So want to place an Amazon dot uh, place order. Now customer one, which is Yuvraj. Yuvraj wants to cart also. Cart cart is something that we get to have avoided, but yeah, we have not avoided. So let's create cart also. Damn it. These kind of cart, what is equal to cart, cart term. So we will add product one. So and then quantity two, right? So this should give us error. Let's do this differently, right? So let's try some errors, right? We are saying that okay, bro, place an order for this cart one, cart one, right? But we don't have that much of a quantity, payment one. So this should give us an error. Let's see. Null pointer exception. Damn it, bro. This was not the error that I was. If absent. Oh, I think this is what Lali Pathak was saying. Yes. Take this put. Damn it, bro. Again, where I'm using put if absent. Oh, bro. Line number 1011, line number 110. Java service 33. Already created those. In this, I have already created this. But why they are saying create this first, right? Amazon. Bro, I am not calling on this. This could happen in an interview. It happened here. It has happened to me also. So register customer is at Java Amazon. Register customer. Customer dot get ID. put value, null pointer accept is coming here, and then it is coming at line number 15, register, customer. Oh, I think ID I am not, no, customer. Okay, customer is this. Why is this thing register customers dot put? Customer should not be null, bro. Damn it, bro. ID is not there. Shit, shit. This is something that I learned today. I will probably going forward, right? I will always use this. This is a good one. Like this is like uniquely created. Now I think put if absent should not throw an error, bro. I don't think it is wrong. First, let's just hit it right. Then we will fix that. Damn, bro, again. I think in each of this would be the example, right? Because I have never added the ID. Damn it. Okay, that's okay. That's a easy fix. Easy fix. Nothing is going wrong. These all are easy fix, but they are good fixes. No available products in the cart. Yes, let's go. Now let's say this one, right? So he's trying to order one only. Payment via UPI done. Let's go. So now let's say again we'll hit it. Payment via because every time it is running a new, right? Now let's say Messi also he also wants to buy a iPhone, right? See, Messi can also buy iPhone, right? Not only Yuvraj can buy, he also wants to buy iPhone, and then cart to payment also he wants to do here too, right? Now let's run it. We should get an error. Yes. So no available product. Now let's say Messi wants to buy a fold. Okay, Messi is saying that I don't want iPhone because it is not available. Let's go with this. Now he should be able to make a payment via credit card. Let's go, bros. So this is your Amazon. This is I want to just test this if put if absent, put if absent. So then what would happen? Right. I don't think put if absent would. Yeah. Put if absent is correct, Lali Pathak. You were asking, right? Put if absent is okay because I'm not reading anything. I'm currently designing LLD of e-commerce and all, Madhushri. Fun, guys, fun. Now, one of the function that I missed is search. Ideally, you would create different things, but let's. But here we are gonna do it in a different way. Ideally, this would be like index. You would have inverted index, but yeah, you don't want to do it in that way. Yeah, in LLD. Madhushri, hello. Madhushri, in LLD interview, this is how it is going to be. So whoever is watching from like Arindam is watching, Lali is there from long time. So definitely that's good. And UI is something that I like to call it. You can call it demo class also, but this is how UI is going to UI calls, right? So you just think like UI is calling register customer API to the backend, right? Add product API to the backend, right? Shall I implement factory also here? No. I don't want to confuse it. Don't want to confuse it. We'll implement factory tomorrow in a different example. Okay, what else? What else? I think this is a really good design. I think we have come a long way, guys. 3 sessions it took, 2 hours, 2 hours each. Yes, in memory, bro. Bro, in 1 hour, what you will do, bro? 1 hour, 1 hour. What? So LLD could be this only. Like my Uber's was, the expectation was to design this, but how I bad I was that I was not. Everything should be in memory, brother, in memory. That's what I feel. That's how I don't like beat me if so interviewer is, and don't judge LLD interview by just one. So I have given LLD interviews where they have asked me to write everything, but yes, in Flipkart's everything in memory was expected. See, one more thing, Arindam Datta. So they also should be able to run your code. Now, if let's say you are running up a SQL server, they will not do that, bro. They will not. If I so now if I have to package this out and send it to you via Gmail, you should be able to run it. Okay, running code, working code. Hit the like, guys, if you find it helpful. Feel free to like, subscribe, share with your friends. If you find this helpful, if you don't find this helpful, let me know how can I make it helpful. Okay. So yes, I just wanted to do the search, right? So search function I have implemented. Now Samsung, iPhone, phone, phone, uh, system dot out dot println arrays dot to string. Now toString function is also something that should be there for product class. That is also something that I've learned in LLD. So you should have that, but I am not having that here. That is okay. Amazon dot search products and our keyword is phone. They are looking for phone. Let's see if I'm. Let's see, this toString is not there to the class product. So this is what I was saying. So how do we do that, right? So uh, this is something that I also don't know, but toString, I think I can override the function and then return product. Uh, like I think name I can return. Is this right? If this is right, then no, this is not right. So toString in the type object is not applicable to the arguments. Mhm. Yeah, this object product does not support toString. How do I fix this? Anyone knows this? I know that somehow something I have to do it here only. Do I need to do add the rate override? No, bro. Uh, what I need to add in product class to fix this? I want to see clean output. Okay, they are saying that I need to do something like this. Public string to string. And why do I need to add product? I am just also returning the same thing only, right? Let me accept this then. They are saying that if I do this search, oh, okay, okay, okay. Now I would see name only. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So search product. Let's just first search. And this will throw an exception. So this I will comment for now and then run. Yeah, see, Samsung Fold iPhone. So basically, what we just write two string, we don't need to. So two string automatically it picks up. So it is printing this. So our search is working fine. Now let's say if someone is looking for a TV, TV would not work fine. No item, right? Hey, are you making AWS platform? No, no, bro, I'm learning LLD. Okay, guys, if anyone wants to see this project, it will be there in the GitHub. Nice, guys. It has been fun. It has taken 3 coding sessions to do this thing, but I really enjoyed it. So I hope you guys also enjoyed it. We have got 40 likes. That's really good. Thank you for everyone who has liked the stream. Now feel free to ask if anyone has any questions or anyone has any funny jokes. Bro, if you're feeling sleepy, then sleep, bro. Vijit, if you're feeling sleepy, then sleep. Bro, you don't have to call me sir. Priyanshu wished, bro, if you don't have any other option, you have to join, right? What are you going to do if you don't have any other option? So, Arindam Datta, Lali Pathak, if you guys are still here, right? Question to you. So, what now my plan is, right? I'm going to create a like a clean video from this list, and then create like one compiled video. What do you think? Does that make sense? So that like that can be done in interviews. Hey, hi, Saraj Chandra. I was waiting for you, bro. My name is not that, first of all. And second, because you should join the channel, bro. You should join the channel. You have not joined the channel, Saraj Chandra. Go to your membership section. You have bought the membership. Thank you so much for that. But you have not joined the chat channel, so Telegram link. You can join that, bro. Arindam Dutta, yes. Okay, I will do that, brother. Bro, send now. Send now. I did not get the request, brother. Till now also I haven't got. Yes, bro, please make it. Yes, yes. Different LLDs. I will make different LLDs only, bro. Search. And also there is nothing like different. In Flipkart, I was asked completely different. It was, I had never seen that question. It is due to this practice. So even before my when my interview was there, I was practicing LLD, right? That practice helped me to solve the problem. So, solving, if you have solved this Amazon system, you can build any system that has this order functionality. For example, ticket booking. You can, in just that, you have to, instead of product, you have to change this to ticket. Now, ticket will have, this will be very much similar to booking system, right? Both in that, in this, you are seeing product, in that, you will see tickets, and in that you have a similar product that will be movie, your order will be a ticket, right? It's very much similar, bro. That's why I'm saying that focus on the basics, don't focus on the problem. Okay, okay. Mhm. Oh, bro, Abhay Chaudhary, is it? Which? Uber, I know. Uber has asked. Which company has asked? Which other company has asked, Abhay Chaudhary? Deloitte has done, they asked. Damn it, bro. Times are changing. You guys were saying, right? Don't do DSA. Don't need DSA is bad. DSA is bad. Don't ask DSA. Now they're asking LLD, which I feel is more hard than DSA because in LLD things can be changed really quickly and you need more practice than DSA. Now you have to pay the price. DSA is bad. DSA is bad. See, see the result of it. But even if, bro, Deloitte has done pays well, right? Faizan, how much has done pays? And Abhay Chaudhary, Uber, see, Uber and all, it makes sense because they pay really good also. So they have to kind of get the best talent, right? If all the companies have started asking, then it is a problem. 8 LPA, bro, that is very bad. If you are asking LLD and then paying 8 LPA, then what should person learn? Do they learn DSA? Do they learn LLD? Or it's like crazy, bro. Crazy, crazy market these days, bro. 8 LP, 8 LP, and then you are asking LLD. What question they asked, Faizan? Did they ask chest? Sumit Barora, I'm not ignoring you, bro. Please reply. Why ignoring me? Did I ignore you? What was your question? Why not replying? Your question is why not replying only every time. I joined recently. Hey, bro, welcome. Cool, guys. I'm going to end the stream in some time. If anyone has Faizan, what question did they ask in LLD? Right on time. Sharad Chandra, don't think too much, bro. Start doing DSA. If you are thinking too much stress you are taking, even if you can't crack after 6 months, I believe that you can do that in 1 year. Why you are taking too much stress, bro? Don't take stress. It will hamper your brain only. Tell me reality, bro. I'm hearing that I can't. Who is saying you can't? Try to do, bro. Try to solve problems. Why you are? Actually, my friend was there for interview. They asked my placement cell didn't allow me to sit in. It was my health. Bro, health is most important, Faizan and Muhammad. Hope you are feeling fine now. Ask your friend what was the question, no? Ask your friend then. Oh, I think I have to ask you one thing, guys. So, what do you think of this thumbnail? Shall I change it or no? I really want to make my thumbnails okay. So is this is the one that I'm going to use for next 20 days. Is this okay? This thumbnail. I had other thumbnails also. Let me filter it by popular, then you will see. I had this thumbnail, then this thumbnail, then this thumbnail. Hey, hello Piyush. Hello Vijay. Hello, hello, hello. Is it okay? The black one is okay, right? It doesn't look like scary. I don't want people to not join my stream. I don't want people to not join my stream. Piyush, you missed the whole LLD session, bro. I was just about to leave. This is about to end now in 2 to 3 minutes. I'll be ending the. What's up, Piyush? How's everything doing? Happy Independence Day. Yeah, your DSA prep is going. Piyush, send me your lead code, bro. Type your username in the chat. Let me see what are you doing in the chat. Let's let's see your lead code live. Let me see how many problems you are solving every day. Yeah. Piyush, in above comment, they are saying that companies are asking, but for now, second year you can skip. But in third year, you should start, okay? For second year, complete focus on DSA. But in third year, I'll ask you to start. Let me see your lead code. Let's see what. So you have been knowing me from last, I think, 10 days or so. How long you have been on the channel? Oh, you have made this hidden. Your green map. You have made it not private. So I am not able to see, but good breaks. Good that 53 out of that 27 medium. Good progress. I wanted to see your green graph, but that is not visible to me because you have hidden it. That is fine. Bro, do easy questions. Do, if you are studying recursion, do the question of old topics. Black does not others look good, bro. That is the thing, right, Undan? Black doesn't look good. So shall I change the black one or what? Piyush, bro, if you are learning recursion, that is okay. But spend like 30 minutes solving the question that you have already learned. Right. So for example, let's say you already know array, right? Solve one or two questions on array. In this rating, if you are not like, then participate in lead code contest, bro. So there is a lead code contest happening on this Sunday. Make sure you participate in that, okay? No excuses. Yes, yes, yes. Fazan Mohammed, bro, participate in contest. Okay, okay. How to participate also, I will tell. Okay, this is the last thing that I'm going to tell, and I'll end the stream, guys. It's been 2 hours. So this is something I will tell because Piyush is like in second year, so it's a valid question for him. But you guys should not ask this question, whoever is in. Bro, so if I go to lead code, and this is asking me to log in. I'll show it in the night, Piyush. In the night stream, I will come in and show uh, how to participate. But it is very easy. Just go to the contest and how I do it in the night, right? That's the same way. But I'll show it once again. Okay. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Keep studying. Keep focusing. Right? Don't give up. And if you give up, then you are not progressing. If you don't give up, then there is still a chance. Feel free to like and share the channel. Bye bye. Take care.